Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Blum Crypto app not working. So if you also want to fix Blum Crypto app not working, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. You might already know that you can access Blum Crypto app through Telegram. So if your Blum Crypto app is not working, there might be some problem in Telegram. So first of all, you can try clearing the cache of Telegram. For that, all you have to do is launch open Telegram application. You can see over here Telegram is opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to see this kind of options over here. Find the option for settings, tap on it. Now you'll be led to the settings interface. Scroll down. You can see several settings options over here. At fourth, you'll be able to see the option for data and storage. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. At first, you'll be able to see the option for storage uses. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be able to see the storage uses of the Telegram application. Over here, you'll be able to see the button for clear cache. All you have to do is tap on it. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. All media will stay in the Telegram cloud and can be re-downloaded if you need them again. Here you'll be able to see the option for clear cache. All you have to do is tap on it. Now your cache has been cleared. After that, Blum Crypto app should start working now. If it still does not work, what you can do is try updating the application. For that, simply go to Play Store. You can see over here Play Store is opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now search in Telegram. You'll be able to see the Telegram application over here. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you can see two options, uninstall and update. But since my app is already updated, I'm being able to see the open option over here. If your application is not updated, you'll be able to see the update option. All you have to do is tap on it, and after that your application will be updated. After the update of your application is completed, your Blum Crypto app should start working now. If it still does not work, try clearing the cache of your Telegram application through the settings. Simply go to settings. You can see over here settings is opened. Find the option for apps, tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Find the application Telegram, tap on it. Now you'll be able to see the application information. Here you'll be able to see the option for storage and cache. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll be able to find the option for manage space and clear cache. All you have to do is tap on the option clear cache. Now your cache has been cleared. Now your Blum Crypto app should start working now. If it still does not work, uninstall the Telegram application and install it again. And try creating the account in Blum again. So that is how you fix Blum Crypto app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.